So who would have thought that Meta would sink back to $480 because of Donald Trump? Actually, what happened is there's a debate in the United States about whether TikTok should be banned or not. And Donald Trump, as crazy as it sounds, defended TikTok and said that he no longer believes that TikTok should be banned. He said that it would help he called Mark Zuckerberg, he said, Mark Zucker schmuck, double his business. And he called Facebook the enemy of the people. He accused Facebook to have helped Joe Biden win the elections. You know, the story between the elections and Donald Trump. So the investors are getting nervous. And of course, because Donald Trump might be the next president of the United States. And you never know what he could do, maybe to punish Facebook. A lot of people say that Donald Trump back in the White House, there's a lot of things that would happen, like punishment to against a lot of people or a lot of companies, maybe, who knows. Banning TikTok would be great for Meta, because Meta, it's not only Facebook but also Instagram. And if there's no more TikTok in the US, the 170 million people using TikTok every day, 90 minutes average every day, for half of the population would have to rely on Instagram or find some way to continue to use TikTok. But at the end of the day, they would not make money, because thousands and thousands of people make money through the app. When I say thousands, it's probably dozens of thousands. And people love TikTok because they feel that they can express their views on different subjects. And as opposed to Facebook or Instagram, where they believe that they're being censored somehow. But the Congress says that TikTok belonging to a Chinese company is dangerous for the country, and therefore TikTok should be banned. I think this is a joke when you think about it. So a successful foreign company in the field where American companies are absolutely killing it suddenly becomes a threat because it's a Chinese company? Come on. Even if the company had been French or German, they would have found somehow a way to ban it or force the company to sell itself to an American company. That's what they want, by the way. They said it's either a ban or ByteDance, which is the parent company of TikTok, sells TikTok to an American company. At the time when it was Donald Trump, it was suggested that Walmart buys TikTok. TikTok valuation must be around $100 billion or something. I don't know, maybe even more. It's the number of people using TikTok around the world is absolutely crazy, you know. So this is an election year, and I think it's going to be very interesting to see what's going to happen during those coming months until November. But for sure, whether it's the Fed with Jerome Powell, which is not seen as the best Donald Trump's friends, and all the small retaliations here and there. So we'll see. But Donald Trump might really be the next president of the United States. This is now probably the odds are in his favor, as far as I understand. So nothing happened really in the stock market today. Why? Because tomorrow everybody's waiting for the CPI, the inflation, and we'll see if the Fed would be willing to raise interest rates or the opposite. We know there's going to be a pivot this year, but when exactly, that is the question. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.